Bo here from High Tech Investment, and today we're talking Forex and Forex trading, so trading with EAs, with robots. I've done this here for quite a long time, and I've been testing various robots from different sites, and I found one, and you might have noticed if you follow me also on LinkedIn and on our Facebook page that I do like Expert4X, and I use the robots from there. Obviously there's other ones out there, but and we will be testing them in the future. But what I really want to show you is how you can get started, where you can get a lot of support, a lot of info, and talk to other people about settings, everything else. And that's through the Expert4X forum. They have a forum both for non-paying and paying members, so you can get started easily, and I'm going to show you how this is done on both sides here today. So the premium membership is a membership package that costs $24 a month, and you will have a look and see exactly what are the pros for this, and or you get a full year for $180. So, but before we get started and I show you how to log in and show you all the benefits, make sure you smash that like button, and you also subscribe to our channel so you're not going to miss any future updates. And especially here on the Forex part, there'll be a lot of updates coming in the near future, where we will show you exactly what we're getting out of trade alerts and what we get out of the special settings that are also part of the premium membership. So exciting news to come, and please follow it. And by then, let's get started. So before we get started, we need to go and click the link in the video description below, and you need to click on the forum setup. Once you click the link on the forum setup, you will end up on this particular page, and if you already set up your password and everything else, you can basically log in from there. But otherwise, we need to create an account in order to move on, for also we get to the premium account. So let's create the account first. You set up your username, you set up your email, and make sure that your email correlates with what you have on your PayPal, and you will see why afterwards when we go into the premium membership, because that's how it's being activated, and that's also how the money is being withdrawn on a monthly basis. So make sure that your email correlates with what you set up here in the forum and on your PayPal account, otherwise it won't work. Make sure you put in your password, read the forum terms and conditions, and obviously you need to accept them. And then you also have a choice if you want an email daily, and this will normally give you the changes that has been in the forum for the last 24 hours. So very useful to click the box so you don't have to go in and look through all the different forums, what has changed, what has come up. So you do that and you create the account down here. You push the button, in a few minutes you should get an email, and that email you need to click on to verify your username. And after that, you can basically come back and you log in the same place here. So let's try that. So now that you have received your email notification, all you have to do is you use the same link as you did just before. You add in your username or email and your password, and you then log yourself in, and let's see how that looks like. So now that we are logged in, you should be able to see your logo up here. So and we're in the topic section of the forum right now. So this is just to give you an overview of the different types of questions and everything else that is being asked in this forum. So there's a range of items constantly developing, and right now we have 109 different sections of the post, and as you can see, Alex has replied to a lot of them. You also have members that obviously have experience already helping other members, so very good and active community. But where we want to go today, So you can obviously stay here if you want to, and you can go through the forum. You don't need to pay for any of this. There is a couple of benefits to these things, obviously, when you speak to other traders. And you can share your experiences, you can share your settings, everything else. But where we're going today, we want to have the premium membership set up. So let's go back and look at the category. And in here, we're going to start off with the premium membership. But before we get that far again, have a look at the forum overview. So this one basically tells you this is how it works. This is how you navigate around. These are the general things of how to find everything. And then it gives you a brief description of the various benefits to the membership that you get: premium indicators, special premium membership robots for the bundles, EA discounts, regular trade alerts, and these are obviously some of the ones that we want to share with everybody when we get started. Manual trading courses, active forums. So with, let's see, most probably more experienced traders than we have in our normal forum. Special third-party robots. We had some offers for the premium membership that I've seen already. Manual trading courses, beta testing, a couple of free trading courses, and also new product launches, so you can get the EAs before everybody else, and the ability to nominate video topics. So anything that particularly interests you that is not being picked up, you can raise it there. And again, you can have a mentorship one-on-one with Alex. So I'm sure that will be very beneficial. So optimization service, which is also one of the things that we really like about the premium part. So we're going to test this out in the months to come. And a further training course and regular live monitoring account reviews. So a lot of different things. So let's go and have a look and see how we become a member. So we go in through the first link up here, and there's a couple of steps that just needs to be followed. We become a premium member here, so we continue in there. And the last part should be coming through straight here. So for this one here, benefits of being a premium member, this is what we just went through. So exactly the same list we have. And then we come down to the more important part. So join here. And it says to upgrade to a premium subscription and enjoy the full access. You've got to follow these steps exactly as given below. So you've got to join the regular forum. So, and we've set that up with the username and the password. And please use the same email as you use when registering your PayPal account. So this is what we discussed before. This is the way PayPal activates and links your premium forum membership. Make sure you are a registered member. We have taken care of that already. And you have clicked on the email link sent to you after registering to be a registered member. And please make sure your PayPal account register email is the same as the email used in the forum. And if not, register a new username using the PayPal email and use that for the subscription. So very important. Remain in the PayPal transaction for the 60 seconds so the PayPal can communicate your subscription details to the forum. So basically the next step will be to join. Once more, it wants to make sure that we have registered as a member. So again, the same details here. The account is registered with the same email. And the monthly subscription as we have is the $24 monthly. And you can go in and you can also pay it yearly. So, but let's do it on a monthly basis to start off with and see what happens. So we get to the PayPal part here and we put in our password. it will then tell you which way you want to pay. In this case here, we'll pick the MasterCard. So we click, it'll tell you MasterCard, accept, and obviously as this is a monthly payment, it means that they will charge the card with $24 each month. So let's go accept, accept. And it's now paid. And then we should be sent back, there you go, to the site, and we are now in. And we are supposed to be a special member now. So let's have a closer look. So now that I got email confirmation that the money has been taken from the PayPal account, you got to go to the last part, and it says after you paid PayPal the 24-month or the annual, you will not receive any welcome instructions, meaning that basically the confirmation from PayPal will be the only thing you see in change, and these are the welcome instructions. You will merely be able to access the protected section of this forum. So that's what we're going to try and do. Yeah. So in order to check if we are updated, we need to log out and log back in again. So let's give that a shot. So now that we are logged in again here, let's have a look and see exactly what we have access to. So we see the same thing as we see before, but obviously now we can go in and we can have a look at it. For this one here, there's premium indicators that can be downloaded by the premium members for this. And it's just, this is the blind trader. This is the latest one that just came out from Alex. And also in this case here, let's see the full post. And it comes from this video here, which was recently released. You can see that both on LinkedIn and our Facebook page. We will have this one here, and this is how to install it on the MT4 platform. It's only available on the MT4 at the moment, and that's the file itself. So you take that one and you put it in on your MT4 file, and basically you got a free EA. So that's one of the great membership parts. So for paying the $24 US. The next one we're going to have a look is here, special premium membership robot bundles. So these are the discounts. And in order to compare them, you can follow the main page, which I will also leave a link to below. And you can see the price for the individual robots here for the Make Money Club memberships, what it is compared, and the savings you will have here. So all of them are available at heavily discounted prices. So very quickly, obviously, you can get your $24 back. Regular trading alerts. So this is the one that we're going to do a full review on. Obviously, we need to set this up and we need to get it going. So the trade alerts will come out by email. And if we just follow this link here, I'll show you just how this is going to work. And slowly but surely we're getting to it on the forum. So this will be the post, and this is an email alert, and it will tell you exactly how this comes out and how the email alert will look. And this will say the different types. If it's a buy and sell, it will tell you what currencies it will be, and it will set the stop loss and take profits. And there's also going to be an Excel that you can use for this, so it's easier to copy paste, and you actually avoid any entry mistakes by entering it manually. So we go back again, and then we have a manual trading course. In there will be more links to all these items. There's an active forum similar to the forum that you saw for the normal members, so non-paid members. There is special third-party robots. Again, at the moment there's none there, but they will come from time to time, and they will be time limited, so that's why there's nothing there right now. Manual trading courses, also again at a discount. And if we follow this one here, you'll have a 20% discount for this. And again, there is a link to the video, everything else, and how to start enjoying all these benefits. So there's plenty to do once you log in. There's plenty to have a look through. So I urge you to do that at your own leisure. 5-star manual trading course membership discount. That's the one we just looked at. The ability to beta test new indicators and trading robots. And I think there's one in there at the moment. So if we have a look at this one, it's the simple RSI trader. And there's also a little, so here again, we see the file down here, and it's basically downloadable. You can go in straight away and use it. So again, limited time offer, but they're available. You can test them out, and you can then discuss all the details in the forum with the other members. You got your free course, new product launch where you have discounts. You have ability to nominate new video topics. So if there's something you want raised that you don't feel is covered well enough, you can go in and raise them there. And there's a 50% off for one-on-one trading mentor. So training with Alex. And this is the interesting one that we also really looking forward to, the premium expert optimization service. And this again requires a certain input. Oops, sorry, I think we got in the wrong one. Let's go back and have a look. So this is not the one. There you go. So the total settings database. And as you'll see here, I cannot share that with all of you, which is why it's going to be blurred out. But there's a two-step process. So there's a premium setting, EA factory login with username and passwords, everything else. So obviously all members can log in for this, and they can get their special settings. And there's quite a few, and that we're going to cover in one of the later videos, and exactly to see also the results that we're going to get out of it. So we're coming to the end. W account in one trade webinars, course, tools, and they had quite a few of those. So all these are available to you. And obviously you still have the normal membership where you can go in and talk to the rest of the teams that also have experience with EAs. But obviously here there's a lot of experience, and you get a lot of extra benefits to this. So in the future, we'll do a range of different reviews on how this works, and more importantly also, of course, exactly what are the benefits, what are we going to make on this, is it going to be a profit, is it going to be a loss, what is going to be on the long term. So yeah, keep it following it in the future, and we'll see what's going to happen. So make sure you hit that like button, and you subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss a thing going forward, because in a few weeks we'll see exactly where this is going to take us, and if we're going to get the 24 bucks back. For now, thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye bye.